three solutions not seen on the graph. One way I like to do this is to look at one solution near the end of the graph, like this solution 5, -10. Now this is seen on the graph, so this isn't one of the answers. But if we take this solution, we can then use our slope, our down 3 over 1, to find three solutions that would come after this point, which would then be these points off the graph. So to use the slope, we can say we're going to go down 3 and then over 1. So for example, 6, -13. That would be a point, that would be a solution that's not on the graph. Then from there, again, we can go down 3 over 1 and then down 3 over 1. And we could keep that pattern forever to come up with some solutions not on the graph. Alternately, instead of using that pattern, you could just make an XY chart and say, well, what about when x is 10, or x is 20, or x is 30? You can then plug those x values into your equation and say -30 plus 5 is -25. That solution would definitely be off the graph. And then -3 times 20 plus 5, -60 plus 5, -55. And you could keep going just by picking really large x values that clearly will be solutions but not on the graph.